Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is part 3 of DIY 83 toolbox. So today we'll be looking into cutting the arco board. When you get your arco board, you take it to the machine where they will cut it to the shape and the style how you want it to be. You give them the dimension of the box and they'll cut it for you. So after cutting it, the next thing is you will have to now place the foam on the box on the arco board. Then you cut it to the shape of the arco board so that it will, when you glue it, it will form a good, it will align very well. So after that, the next thing you will do is that you will start sorting all the tools, though like the tools come in different shape, different sizes and different categories. So next is to cut the shadow board.
To carry out the cutting of shadow board, or when you want to cut your tools on this board, you need this tool. It's a surgical blade. Then you need this to clean up the inside, because most times you might move it and you need it to have a very nice clean up, so you have to use this guy to clean up inside. So you also need this to pick things up, this tweezer. So first let's start with, I've already placed a sample, so we're going to cut out this one. You hold in place and you cut with precision. Be very patient to work, don't be in a hurry. Just take it through it and you keep on going all the way around it. Careful because of your hand. So you just do it as if you are tracing, in a drawing. So you see, shape is already there. So now you retrace your steps again. In this way, you make the cut look very beautiful. So I would advise just cut this off from here. This is it. So now let's go back, picking it off. So you can remove this as well. Help you to avoid it. Then you check. Look. So for now, we have to mark. Since we have gotten this side, then we go for the other side. Just place it, then do the mark. You remove and trace. Oh no. So you draw this out. So you can see it's not flushed yet. It's not flushed yet, so we have to sink it more. So now we can now check. Taking more 2. 2 is gonna be better. So we go. So now it's flushed. Go. So you see how it is properly synced into the foam. So that is how you are going to cut every single one of them. Though some might actually be different, but the most important thing that it have to flush. When I mean flush, it will be the same. It will level up with the foam, so that the other ones will be able to sit well. All right, thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.